Hey guys, want to do a quick video on my saving grace this weekend doing my work, and that is on the little PDG model number 806 folding table here. Picked these up at Menards. Menards mainly like a Home Depot, Lowe's in the Midwest. So just gonna do a little quick review on it. You see, you flip it out, slide your legs up. You know how a folding table works, right? So I'm just giving my take on it. Now it does have a lock in place. Now you actually have to manually lock it. It doesn't auto lock it up. And there we go. Got it right now. This is PDG model number 806. And right now they're $41.99. I caught mine on sale for $29.99. And they grabbed two of them. And I believe they carry them at Tractor Supply place for like $50. Supposed to hold about 300 pounds. I don't know. I wouldn't put my 230 pounds on it for nothing. A little wobbly. If you need something a little stronger, more steady, I would definitely probably look at the Cosco folding table. It's a lot more heavy duty at Wal-Mart. Kind of got a cheesy cloth handle here. I wouldn't be carrying it around too much with it. Leg lock, slide, leg lock. Oh, got an undo our lock. Snap back, about 25 pounds. And real quick, hang in there, don't go nowhere. Just for poops and giggles, went ahead and grabbed a couple of the PDG folding chairs. These things are actually really comfortable, really solid, no problem there. 300 pounds, not an issue. The only problem I have with the only thing you gotta look out for in the folding chair is they screwed it in right here. And if you see that there's a seam, and we can see that that's going to be an issue. So I didn't have a problem with it because metal bar comes up to about here inside the chair, and I'm going to take and probably get some kind of epoxy or clear glue, CA glue, and glue that down. So if you get these chairs, do not carry them by the carrying handle because the screws are going to come out on you. I did get them tightened up. See, that one right there is already coming out. And you see I just pushed it in, so that's an issue with the PDG folding chairs. Do I recommend them? If you catch them on sale, yes, I recommend them. But if you don't catch them on sale, skip something else. Alright, on to the next one.